Next up, let's try a different map. So I'm going to head over to Snazzy Maps. Let's explore some more maps on here. If you're anything like me, you might end up getting completely lost in all of the different map styles. One of the downsides of this being a free site is you can get pop-ups every now and again. But I think for the benefits we get, we can live with that. Okay, so let's keep skipping through. Ooh, yellow lines. Let's go with that one. So we go onto the page, and once again, we copy the URL once the pop-up's gone. Head over to Squarespace, double-click on the map, go into the Design tab, and from here we can select all on the map theme and paste the new one in, and then click to fetch the Snazzy style. And there we go. Now we can decide to change the color of this section entirely again. And we can go with that bright option, go for a very different look and feel. Or let's go for darkest, or dark 2 actually. And let's change the color of each of these blocks either side of that frame.